A good cordless vacuum is a helpful addition to any household cleaning arsenal. When you don't need to worry about staying in range of an outlet, it's easy to clean small, out-of-the-way areas not only inside your home but also in tighter spaces like car interiors. We've tested over 120 vacuum cleaners, and below are our recommendations for the best cordless vacuums to buy. Number 5. Tineco Pure 1S11 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Tineco Pure 1S11 is pretty good. The S11's best trait is how comfortable it is to handle even during long cleaning sessions. You can realistically get about 30 minutes on a fully charged battery pack, as it feels lighter and easier to steer than any of its close competitors. Here are the main features and specification of this product. Features: up to 40 minutes runtime, cordless and lightweight, detachable power battery. This product's customer review is 4.4 out of 5. Click the link in description. Number 4. Shark IZ462H Vertex Ultra Lightweight Cordless Stick Vacuum. Shark's Vertex line is a favorite of several experts we talked to. It comes with a HEPA filter, which helps prevent dust and dirt from going back into the air. This vacuum is highly efficient and effective when it comes to keeping your home clean. Here are the main features and specification of this product. Features: up to 60 minutes of runtime, HEPA filtration and anti-allergen complete seal, easy empty, XL dust cup. This product's customer review is 4.5 out of 5. Click the link in description.
Hi there, this is Jenny from the Whole House Care team, chiming in to let you know that you may find the product you are looking for on Amazon's daily deals and save big. Check out the links below to see if you're lucky today.
Number 3. Hoover Wunper Evolve Pet Cordless Small Upright Vacuum Cleaner. When former Strategist senior editor Peter Martin tried out the Hoover Evolve, he was impressed by how the vacuum slid across hardwood, easily sucking up the Cheerios and desiccated blueberries that are constantly on our kitchen floor. Here are the main features and specification of this product. Features: ultra lightweight, advanced swivel steering, quick pass brush roll. This product's customer review is 4.4 out of 5. Click the link in description. Number 2. Shark Cordless Handheld Vacuum Ultracyclone Pet Pro Plus. If you're looking for a handheld vacuum to spot clean different surfaces, the Shark Ultracyclone Pet Pro Plus is a fantastic option. This vacuum is small enough to be stored in most cupboards or closets, and its lightweight construction makes it easy to carry wherever you need it. Here are the main features and specification of this product. Features: compact and lightweight, ultra-powerful suction, self-cleaning pet power brush. This product's customer review is 4.5 out of 5. Click the link in description. Number 1. Dyson V8 Animal Plus Cord-Free Rechargeable Stick Vacuum. Dyson's V Vacuum series, which has made appearances across our archives, wins the most mentioned title. Though status Y for sure, these are powerful machines, praised for their cleaning capabilities and ease of use. The V8 earned the most votes amongst our experts. Here are the main features and specification of this product. Features: up to 40 minutes of powerful suction, direct drive clean head. This product's customer review is 4.6 out of 5. Click the link in description.